Fight straight. Straight up. Attack Misha. Now grips, grips. Attack Misha, attack. Poke. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Pin him, pin him, pin him. Pin.
All right, come on. Use your chest. Push.
Turtle. Turtle, turtle.
Grab his elbow, elbow, elbow. Bring it in. That's it. Half Nelson. That's it.
Good job, Misha. Good job. I know. Watch me. Yeah,
Don't run, don't run.
Attack Misha. Straight up.
I don't know what I'm saying.
I know.
I'm so happy for myself.
Good. You going again?
No, they don't do that.
Misha, straight up. Head up.
That's it. Go. Oh,
Counter. Head up. Push. Turn around. Grab the leg. Grab the leg. There you go. Good. Too late. Too late.
That's it. That's it. Turn.
Get up. Get a grip. Ochik. Stop closing your eyes. Open your eyes. Ochigari, now. Get in there. Suck him in.
That's it. That's it. Turn. That's it.
Attack Misha. Attack.